Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to see game theory, the next topic in unit number 4. In unit number 4, you have two topics, sequencing and game theory. Sequencing is over. Now we have to come with game theory. This topic is also very easiest one. So unit 4 is also very easiest topic. So come with the definitions. Simple definitions. Already you know the game. What is game? A competitive situation is called a game. Player means each player in that game is called player. Each participants or competitor playing a game is called a player. Strategy. Strategy, we have pure strategy and mixed strategy. This is very important 2-mark question. Set of rules of actions of players by which player decides the game plan. So depends upon the game plan, it should be called pure strategy or mixed strategy. So it should be following two types. Pure strategy. If the players select the game strategy each time, then it is called pure strategy. If the players use a combination of strategy with some fixed probabilities, then he is said to use mixed strategy. Next definition is two-person zero-sum games. When there are two competitors playing a game, it is called two-person game. When the algebraic sum of gains and losses of the players is zero, then the game is called zero-sum game. Zero-sum games with the two players are called two-person zero-sum games. This is also very important 2-mark question. Here they are represent only the two competitors, means we have to say two-person game. The sum of gain and loss will be 0, means that will be zero-sum game. Zero-sum game with two players is called two-person zero-sum game. The next definition is saddle point. Saddle point means a saddle point of a payoff matrix of a game is that position in the payoff matrix where the maximum of row minima coincides with the minimum of the column maxima. Otherwise, you should write in a single line, saddle point means maximum of row minima is equal to minimum of column maxima. That is easy. That is enough also. The next will be max mini principle. The maximum of the minimum gains is known as the maximum value and the corresponding alternative is called as max min strategy. Minimax principle is instead of maximum you have to write minimum. Instead of gain you have to write loss. The minimum of the maximum losses is known as the minimax and the corresponding alternative is called as minimax strategy. Then next is value of the game. The payoff at the saddle point is called the value of the game and this is equal to the max mini or minimax values of the game. The value of the game is nothing but the saddle point. Saddle point is you have to find the row minimum and column maximum. The maximum of row minimum is equal to the minimum of column maximum, means that is your saddle point. Obviously that is your value of the game. Now we have to move with the simple problems. These problems, before that we have to go the steps. Game of pure strategy, saddle point. The game of pure strategy is the value is called a saddle point. The saddle point is called the value of the game. For algorithm to determine pure strategy, this is also in the form of the matrix. For each matrix you have to find out row wise minimum value and column wise maximum value. So in that row values you have to go for the maximum value. In the column value you have to go for the minimum value. Both are equal, means that is your saddle point. So now you have to follow the steps. The first step is find the minimum value in each row and write it at the end of each row. Similarly, find the maximum value in each column and enter in it the bottom of the column. In the next step is select the largest element in row minima and enclose it in circle. And select the lowest element in column maxima and enclose it in rectangle. The next step is find the element which is same in the circle and the rectangle and mark position of such element in matrix by star. Suppose these two elements are equal means you have to mark a star in a matrix in that element. It is a saddle point which represents the value of the game. So this is where 2 mark questions. This problem belongs to only 2 mark questions. So you have to listen carefully. I will do 3 problems. You have 2 homework sums. This is simplest one. First one is solve the following 2-person game whose play of matrix as follows. Not play of matrix, pay of matrix. You just strike it out and write pay of matrix, P-A-Y. AOFF, pay of matrix as follows, or find the value of the game. So your problem is player A, player B, 2 players are given and values also given A1, A2, A3, similarly B1, B2, B3. For the solution, you have to follow the 4 steps. So the first one is in each row we have to find out the minimum value. So row minima. So you have to write row minima. You have to write at the end of the each row. So first row the elements are 1, 3, 1. So the minimum value is 1. For the second row 0, -4, -3. So here the minimum value is -4. I think you know the negative value will be increases means that is your smallest value. So you don't know means you have to clear about this. This is here -4 is the smallest value. In the third row, the elements are 1, 5, -1. So the smallest value is -1. So the first step is over. The second step is you have to come with column wise. Column 1, 0, 1 is your first column. So here the maximum value is 1. So column wise you have to go with the maximum value, the opposite reactions. So row wise means you have to come with minimum value. Column wise means you have to come with the maximum value. For the second column 3, -4, 5. So maximum value is 5. The third column 1, -3, -1. So the maximum value is 1. So after that we have to come with maximum of row minimum values and minimum of column maximum values. So here we have the row minimum values are 1, -4, -1. So for this we have the maximum value is 1. So you have to circle that element 1. So the next step is you have to come with the minimum of column maximum value. The column maximum values are 1, 5, 1. So for here the minimum means you have to take the first one. That is obviously the first place you have to choose the first one. So you have to rectangle that element 1. So either you have to circle the element and rectangle the element. Both the element will be equal means you have to put star in that element. So here you have to come with the first element, that is your saddle point, that is your value of the game. So after finishing these steps you have to come with the value. Maximum of row minima is equal to 1, minimum of column maxima is equal to 1. Here max min is equal to minimax, so therefore the saddle point is equal to 1. Therefore the value of the game is equal to 1. In case minimax value is not equal to max min means we have the another formula, that is your mixed strategy. We will see in the next class. So today we are going to see only the 2 mark question, that is the simplest problem alone. So we have to come with the second problem. Find the value of the games. Here is also player A and player B will be given. This will be 3 by 3 matrix. So you have to come with the 3 rows. You have to find out the minimum value, and 3 columns you have to come with the maximum value. You have to compare that. We get the finally we get the saddle point. So for the first row 10, 5, 20. So the minimum value is 5. Second row 65, 50, 40. So the minimum value is 40. Third row 55, 20, 30. So the minimum value is 20. Similarly we have to come with column wise. For column wise 10, 65, 55. The maximum value is 65. 5, 50, 20. The maximum is 50. 20, 40, 30, the maximum is 40. So for the row minimum value, you have to come with maximum value. So the maximum of 5, 40, 20 is 40. Minimum of column maximum value. So minimum of 65, 50, 40 is equal to 40. So the circle the element for row element, rectangle the element for column wise. So both are equal. So that is your saddle point. So value of the game for the second problem is equal to 40. So here now we have to come with the third problem. Find the value of the game. Here they are given 2 by 3 matrix. Anyway, there is no problem. You have to come with row wise minimum value, column wise maximum value. Finally, we have to choose maximum of row minimum value, minimum of column maximum value. That's all. So first row 1 minus 2 minus 2. The row minimum value is minus 2. 6 4 minus 6. So minimum is minus 6. Column maximum 1 6 means 6, minus 2 4 means maximum is 4, minus 2 minus 6 means maximum is minus 2. So for the row minimum value, the maximum element is minus 2. Instead of minus 2 and minus 6, the maximum is minus 2. Minimum of 6 4 minus 2 is minus 2. So we have the minus 2 is your saddle point. So maximum of row minima is equal to minus 2, minimum of column maxima is equal to minus 2. So both are equal. So we have the saddle point is equal to minus 2. Therefore the value of the game is equal to minus 2. The fourth problem is find the value of the game. 173456457203. So you have to go with the row wise minimum value, column wise maximum value. Find out the maximum of row minimum value, minimum of column maximum value. The answer will be 4. Similarly, you have to do the fifth sum also. Find the value of the game. So in the next class, we have to see game without saddle point. Without saddle point means max mini is not equal to mini max. Both are not equal means we have to come with the mixed strategy formula. So we will see in the next class. Thank you.